Hi there. Today we're going to show you how to smoke a turkey.
Look at that.
Perfect. Beautiful.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be good.
Alright, so what are we going to do first, Ben?
Well, the turkey's been out, it's been thawed, and it's gotten up to room temperature, so now we're going to rub it. I've got some competition bird shake here, but any rub will do. So we're just going to get this on, we're going to cover it, and then we'll move on to the next step, which is injecting it.
Ooh.
So you can be pretty generous with this rub. You just want to get it right into the meat. You can never have too much rub. It'll be, with all the smoke that we have, it'll get soaked right into the meat.
Nice. So how big of a turkey would this be?
This is, I think, about 14 pounds, or about 6 kilos.
Okay.
Should be good for like 8 people, but there's only 4 of us.
Alright, so you got a different rub you're doing now.
Yeah, actually, worked out one half and then the other half. Rubs you use doesn't matter all that much. You just use your favorite rub. Get her nice and coated. Make sure the meat is nice and dry when you do this.
And do you do it underneath too?
Yep. No, might have to get you to get us another rub there, no?
Alright.
Just want to cover the whole thing.
This is South Texas Red. Uncle Steve's Shake.
Let's get some of that. Oh yeah.
Could you do this with a different type of poultry, like chicken?
Of course. You can do this with anything. It's the same process if you're doing ribs, or maybe not ribs, but if you're doing chicken or drumsticks or wings. Get those apples in there. Oh yeah.
So you're stuffing the turkey with some pieces of apple?
Apple and some onions. That way when it cooks, all the flavor hopefully gets into the meat. Get some of the juice out of the apple, some of the sweetness.
Okay.
Perfect. And then they're delicious once it's done. Smoked apple is always good. And we'll tie the bird like that. Perfect. There we go.
Okay, what's the next step, Ben?
Next step is we're going to inject the turkey with garlic butter.
Ooh. So what have you put in the pan?
Just garlic and butter.
And you've just melted it?
Yep. Now we're going to inject into the thickest part of the meat.
So what's that gadget that you're using there?
This is a meat syringe.
So you're actually poking it into the turkey.
Yep.
And then you're injecting it with the fluid from the butter and the garlic.
Absolutely.
Ooh.
We should use the smaller syringe.
So approximately how much butter would you say you had? About half a cup?
Probably. So you can use as much or as little as you want. You don't need to do this, but if you want a really delicious turkey, you should.
All right. And is that the last step before you put it into the smoker?
Yep.
All right, so we'll move on to the smoker.
Okay, now we get this in the smoker. Perfect. Oh. Is that in there? Perfect. We'll try to keep this around 250, so it's at 200 now. We'll try to bring it up to 250 and we'll keep it there till it reaches temp.
Nice. Hey, what do you got there, Ben?
These are cherry chips.
So wood chips, and you've soaked them?
Yep, they've been soaked. Mostly cherry. But you can use any flavor. Apple is the best. I just couldn't find any this time. There we go. You soak them, they last a lot longer.
Okay.
You get more smoke out of them. Perfect.
All right, and that's it. Now we just have...
Try to get that up to 250 and maybe 260 and we'll keep it there.
And how long do you think it'll take?
Probably 3 hours, maybe 3.5.
All right.
Okay, it's reached 165. Let's get it out of there. We don't want to spill that.
Look at that puppy.
Yeah. Whoa. That's going to be the gravy in there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You know.
Oh, yeah, that's the good stuff. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Oh, yeah. It's going to be good. Okay. Oh, we're just covering it up here. And we're going to let it rest. It doesn't have to be overly tight. You can let a bit of air out. Just going to let it rest for half an hour. And then